How's it, guys? I just received a care package from Ian at Nature Boys. These are locally produced shrimp foods and shrimp supplements. I will be doing a review on each product as time goes by. So please keep an eye out for my YouTube links, and I will show you guys what my shrimp do with each one, and I'll give a short explanation as to why this is beneficial to use for shrimp. I'll show you a little bit of a close-up on each product. Here we've got some Cape cones, which is a alder cone, which got some dried guava leaves, some more alder cones, some green mix with moringa, and here we've got the cholla wood, which, by the way, my shrimp already use and they love it. There's a fruit mix, a nettle mix, and an Indian almond leaf disc mix. Guys, these products are, as I said, locally produced and of highest quality, and the reviews I've heard and in my own experience, I can tell you, definitely worth the buy. Shrimp love it, and they benefit from all these things give them, supplement wise and nutritional wise. So there we have it. Keep an eye out, and I will be reviewing each product as we get to them, and hopefully you guys will switch over to these products, because, as I said, local is lekker. So let's support our local guys. Thank you, and I'll chat to you soon.